How to watch ESPN without a TV provider. Step number 1. Choose a streaming service. Sling TV offers the Sling Orange package, which includes ESPN, ESPN2, and ESPN3. This package is available for $40 per month. A combined Orange plus Blue package is available for $55 per month. Hulu Plus Live TV provides access to ESPN along with a variety of other channels and includes the Hulu streaming library. The subscription is priced at $76.99 per month. YouTube TV offers ESPN as part of its channel lineup for $72.99 per month. Fubo, known for its sports-centric offerings, Fubo includes ESPN in its channel packages starting at $94.99 per month. Step number 2. Sign up for the service. Visit the official website of your chosen streaming service. Create an account by providing the necessary information. Select the subscription plan that includes ESPN. Complete the payment process to activate your subscription. Step number 3. Download the app. On your preferred device, either smartphone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device, navigate to the App Store. Search for the app corresponding to your chosen streaming service. Download and install the app. Step number 4. Log into the app. Open the app on your device. Enter the login credentials you created during the sign-up process. Step number 5. Access ESPN content. Within the app, navigate to the Live TV or Channel section. Locate ESPN from the channel list. Select ESPN to start watching live broadcasts and other content.